Dear students, today we are going to start chapter 3 Indefinite Integration exercise 3.2a. Question number 1. In question number 1, integrate the following functions with respect to x. Now question first, let I equal to integral log of x whole raised to n upon x into dx. So for this type of the integration, what should we do first? We see that derivative of the log x equal to 1 by x, derivative of log x equal to 1 by x. So first we put log x equal to t, log x equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. So derivative of log x equal to 1 by x equal to dt by dx. So if we take dx on that side, so we get 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. See once again, derivative of log x equal to 1 by x and derivative of t with respect to x equal to dt by dx. So it will be 1 by x equal to dt by dx, or we can say 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. Why we say this type of the derivative 1 upon x dx equal to dt? Why we do not write 1 by x equal to dt by dx? Because in our integral it is given that 1 upon x, log x whole raised to n upon x means 1 upon x into dx. Here 1 upon x into dx. So we need the value of 1 upon x dx. This is the reason we write this derivative as 1 upon x dx equal to dt. Clear? So we have substituted log x equal to t and 1 upon x equal to 1 upon x into dx equal to dt. Therefore, integral I equal to integral of log x whole raised to n, that is t raised to n. This will be t raised to n. So t raised to n into dt. Now we integrate by using integral of x raised to n dx formula. What is integral of x raised to n dx? Or you can say integral of t raised to n dt. Similar, so t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c. Simple formula of the integration. Integral of t raised to n dt equals t raised to n plus 1 upon n plus 1 plus c, where c is constant of integration. So this is our answer in terms of t, but value of t is what? T equal to log of x. So we resubstitute the value of t equal to log of x in the main answer. Therefore, I equal to 1 upon n plus 1, this n plus 1, here 1 upon n plus 1 into log of x whole raised to n plus 1 plus c. Therefore, integral of log x whole raised to n upon x dx equals 1 upon n plus 1 log of x into n plus 1 plus c. This is the final answer. So, this type of the integrations can be solved by proper substitution. Now, see question number 2. Let I equal to integral of sin inverse whole raised to 3 by 2 upon root of 1 minus x square into dx. So, this is our integral question, this part. So, if we substitute in this integration sin inverse x, put sin inverse x equal to t, because derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square and derivative of t is dt by dx. So, taking dx on that side, therefore 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx equal to dt. Same thing here. Let I equal to integral of sin inverse x whole raised to 3 by 2 upon root of 1 minus x square dx. Since we know that derivative of sin inverse x is 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. So, if we put sin inverse x as t, so integral will be adjusted in terms of t with rational power. So, therefore, we put sin inverse x equal to t and differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Therefore, 1 upon under root 1 minus x square dx equals dt. This is a very simple integration, but it is basically very important. Now, therefore, I equal to integral of t raised to 3 by 2 into dt. It is equal to, now using x raised to n dx formula. So what is n here? 3 by 2. So integral of t raised to 3 by 2 dt equals t raised to 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 upon 2 plus 1 plus c. Now simplify this. So 3 upon 2 plus 1 is what? 5 upon 2, t raised to 5 upon 2, and 3 upon 2 plus 1 here in the denominator 5 upon 2. So if we write the value of t, means resubstitute the value of t, and the denominator will be reciprocal. So therefore I equal to 2 upon 5 into sine inverse x whole raised to 5 upon 2, because if we add these two terms we get 5 upon 2, so power will be 5 upon 2, and the value of t is sine inverse x, and this 3 upon 2 plus 1 becomes 2 upon 5. So therefore I equal to 2 upon 5 into sine inverse x whole raised to 5 upon 2 plus constant of integration. So this type of the integrals are very simple, but they are basically they are very important integrals. Now see question number 3. Third question. Let I equal to integral of 1 plus x upon x into sine of x plus log x into dx. So for this type of the integral we substitute again, but what should we substitute? How will you know what should we put here as t? So we see that in the numerator it is 1 plus x, and in the denominator x into sine of x plus log x. तो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ जो मैं यहाँ बताना चाहता हूँ, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट चीज़ ये है, जैसे भी साइन ऑफ समथिंग, लॉग ऑफ समथिंग और रेशनल पावर्स, दीज आर द प्रेफरेंसेस फॉर द सब्स्टिट्यूशन. तो फर्स्ट वी शुड चेक, जैसे कभी हमें नहीं मालूम पड़ता तो हम रफली चेक कर सकते हैं कि इसमें हम किसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे, तो हमारा इंटीग्रल का सम पार्ट एलिमिनेट हो जाएगा. सम पार्ट विल बी एलिमिनेटेड बाय द सब्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ दैट टर्म. तो यहाँ पर जैसे कि मैंने बताया कि जैसे भी साइन ऑफ एंगल, लॉग ऑफ समथिंग, अदर टर्म्स आर गिवन, तो वी शुड सब्स्टिट्यूट दैट पार्ट. तो इफ वी पुट हियर x प्लस लॉग x इक्वल टू t, तो चलो चेक करके देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. पुट x plus log x equal to t. Now differentiating with respect to x on both sides. Therefore derivative of x is 1 and derivative of log x is 1 by x. Derivative of t dt by dx. Clear? अब इसको सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं. x इंटू 1 प्लस 1 दैट इज x प्लस 1 अपॉन x इंटू डी एक्स. x प्लस 1 अपॉन x इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू डी टी. तो अब ये चेक करते हैं अपने क्वेश्चन में, क्या ये x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स कहीं पर है? यस, हियर इट इज x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स. देखो इतने पार्ट को हमने यहाँ पर ये सब्स्टिट्यूट किया. ये है अपना x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स, जो हमारा डेरिवेटिव का पार्ट आया, x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स ये पार्ट है, और इंटू डी एक्स भी है यहाँ पर. तो ये पार्ट ही हमें मिला, यहाँ से हम चेक कर सकते हैं, ये पार्ट यहाँ पर मिल रहा है. ये x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स इंटू डी एक्स बिकम्स डी टी. तो ये पार्ट डी टी हो गया, और हमने इस पार्ट को इतने ब्रैकेट x प्लस लॉग एक्स हैज कंसिडर्ड एज t. तो x प्लस लॉग एक्स इक्वल टू t. देयरफॉर आवर इंटीग्रल बिकम्स I इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन साइन टी, 1 अपॉन साइन टी, क्योंकि ये पार्ट अब इतना ही रिमेनिंग रह जाएगा. यहाँ से फिर से देख सकते हो, देखो 1 प्लस एक्स अपॉन एक्स या x प्लस 1 अपॉन एक्स इंटू डी एक्स क्या हो गया? डी टी. तो हम यहाँ डी टी सिर्फ लिखेंगे तो इतने पार्ट हमारे एलिमिनेट हो जाएंगे. ठीक है, ये नहीं दिखेंगे, और हमने इसको t लिया है तो साइन t हो गया. राइट? देयरफॉर I इक्वल टू इंटीग्रल 1 अपॉन साइन टी इंटू डी टी. बट यू नो वेरी वेल 1 अपॉन साइन टी इक्वल्स कोसेक टी. Therefore, it is equal to integral of cosec t dt. So cosec t dt. Now integrate this, because you have a formula for integral of cosec t dt. Therefore, I equal to integral of cosec t is log of mod of log mod cosec t minus cot t plus c. So see once again, integral of log of cosec t dt equal to log of mod of cosec t minus cot t plus c. Here this is modulus and this is modulus, it is log, that is log. So therefore I equal to log of mod of cosec t minus cot t plus c. Just it was a writing mistake, just corrected. Okay. So therefore I equal to log of mod of cosec x plus log x minus cot of x plus log x modulus closed plus constant of integration, that is c. Because value of t is x plus log x, so we should resubstitute the value of t here, that is cosec x plus log x, and cot t x plus cot of x plus log x and modulus closed plus c. Okay. So final answer I equal to log mod cosec x plus log x minus cot x plus log x plus c. Understood? Okay. Now see question number 4. Fourth one, let I equal to integral of x into sec square x square upon square root of tan cube x square into dx. So dear students, you should think about the question. It is x into sec square x square upon square root of tan cube x square. तो यहाँ हमें क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करना चाहिए? जैसे भी किसी स्टूडेंट को लगेगा कि सेक सब्स्टिट्यूट करें या tan सब्स्टिट्यूट करें, तो सबसे पहले हमें चेक करना चाहिए कि इसमें किसका डेरिवेटिव कौन है. तो पुट tan ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टी. सबसे पहले क्या सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे? पुट tan ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इक्वल टू टी. नाउ डिफरेंशिएटिंग with respect to x on both sides. So derivative of tan x square is sec square x square, because derivative of tan x is what? Sec square x. So derivative of tan x square is sec square x square, but it is not x. So by chain rule, into derivative of x square is 2x, and here it was dt by dx, so taking dx on that side. So this will be sec square x square into 2x into dx equal to dt. Sec square x square into 2x into dx equal to dt. Now we need only x into sec square x square into dx. X into sec square x square into dx. So therefore x into sec square x square into dx equal to half dt. Therefore I equals integral of half into 1 upon square root of t cube into dt. Because we have substituted tan of x square as t, so this is what? Tan of x square whole cube, right? Square root of tan of x square whole cube. So this can be written as half into 1 upon square root of t cube into dt. It is equal to half integral t raised to minus 3 by 2 into dt equal to half into t raised to minus 3 by 2 plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1 plus c. So after simplification, I equal to half into t raised to minus half upon minus half, because it is minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is minus half, and here minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is minus half, plus c as it is. So I equal to half into t raised to minus half upon minus half. So this half and half cancelled, but negative sign is remaining. Now t raised to minus half, that is 1 upon root t. So this will be I equal to minus 1 upon root t. We resubstitute the value of t, therefore I equal to minus 1 upon square root of tan x square plus c. Minus 1 upon square root of tan of x square plus c. So this is the final answer for question number 4. Now see question number 5. Let I equal to integral of e raised to 3x upon e raised to 3x plus 1 into dx. So we should substitute the denominator here. Put e raised to 3x plus 1 equal to t, because derivative of e raised to 3x is e raised to 3x into 3 and derivative of 1 is 0. तो इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू डी टी, क्योंकि डी टी बाई डी एक्स होता है तो डी एक्स को हम हमेशा इस साइड रखते हैं, क्योंकि हमें डी एक्स को एलिमिनेट करना होता है. तो ई रेज टू थ्री एक्स इंटू थ्री इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू डी टी. देयर फोर ई रेज टू थ्री एक्स इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू 1/3 इंटू डी टी. ई रेज टू थ्री एक्स इंटू डी एक्स इक्वल टू 1/3 इंटू डी टी. देयर फोर आई इक्वल्स 1/3 इंटीग्रल ऑफ 1 अपॉन टी डी टी. Now integrate this. 1/3 is constant as it is, and integral of 1 by t, dt is log of mod of t plus c, or you can say only log of t plus c, because one term here and no negative sign. Therefore, I equals 1 by 3 into log of mod of e raised to 3x plus 1 plus c. Clear? So this was very simple question but important. Now question number 6, let I equal to integral x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into a to the power x plus tan inverse x into dx. So for this type of the question, here it is a raised to x plus tan inverse x into dx. So if we substitute x plus tan inverse x equal to t, so we get derivative of x is 1 plus derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square, and derivative of t is dt by dx. Okay, because differentiating with respect to x. Now 1 plus x square into 1 plus 1 becomes x square plus 2 upon 1 plus x square into dx equals dt, taking dx on that side equal to dt. Now check the integral, main question. This is integral of x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1, and we got here x square plus 2 upon x square plus 1 into dx. So this integral term and dx are eliminated, and e to the power x plus tan inverse x becomes a raised to t, this one, because it is t. This is this dx into this dx is dt. So therefore our integral becomes I equal to e to the power t into dt, means integral of a raised to t dt only. And you know the formula, integral of a raised to t dt is a raised to t upon log of a. Integral of a raised to t dt is a raised to t upon log of a plus c. Now we resubstitute the value of t. Therefore I equal to a raised to x plus tan inverse x. This is the value of t upon log of a plus c. Clear? So if we resubstitute the value of t, so we get final answer in terms of x in all questions. So dear student, we should stop the today's lecture here. Remaining questions in the next lecture. तो उम्मीद करता हूँ सभी स्टूडेंट को अच्छे से क्वेश्चन समझ में आ गए होंगे. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. थैंक यू.